Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web not scanning or connecting. So if you have issue with connecting on your WhatsApp or when linking your device, so what are the things that you can do? So when you are like want to link a device or something, and then what happens, you for some reason that the scanner or something is not working and you couldn't scan it. So what you can do, firstly you can try to firstly you can make sure that you need to make sure that your internet is active, so your phone has active Wi-Fi or internet connected to it, and it's working perfectly fine. That's one basic thing. Apart from that, what you can do, you can also try and go to your WhatsApp settings. So if you open up your phone settings and then search for WhatsApp, so if you search for WhatsApp, okay, so go to your WhatsApp settings, and then here under WhatsApp settings, what you can do, you can go to your storage and then try to clear your app cache and data. So try to clear your cache and try to clear your data. So once you have cleared that, then try to relaunch the app, and also if you want, you can also reinstall the app and then now try to log in and then try to scan that again, and that should fix the issue. So these are the basic troubleshooting things that you can do in order to fix this issue. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.